You want to be better? Train yourself. You want to be successful? Train yourself with the best in the field. Would you like to go to see Eric Worre? Of course. In the case that you already see it, I recommend you the next event that is going to take place in Europe. How much you have to pay to train yourself with Eric Worre? For example, you have to go to Vegas in December and you can be there for $547 at least, where you can see Tony Robbins. You can see it in November in New York. You can see it in December in Florida. And in the case that you are from Europe, you have to pay the price to fly to US. And of course, to secure your seat, you have to pay starting from $795 till $3,000. What if I told you that you can do your best training with Eric and Tony in Europe next year and you can get it for free? The only thing that you have to do is follow some simple steps. So first step, register for free right now and we see you on the other side. Just for registering, you are going to get a free report from Tony Robbins. So in the case that you are serious with your success, take the step. Click on the button and you can go for free for the next event that is going to take place in Europe next year. The only event where you are going to meet Tony Robbins and Eric Worre on the same event, and also we have a special guest. See you on the next side.